Mona the Moon by Alexa Neal. Hi, I am Mona the Moon. And did you know I have faces just like you? They are called phases, and you can see them quite well. If you look up to the sky at night, you would really be able to tell. But how do I have the phases you see? It has to do with my position to the sun's light. And where I am around the earth determines how bright. When the earth is in between me and the sun's reflection makes me look full. But when I am in between the sun and the earth, I will be dark and dull. Even though I am dark and dull in that phase, the name is actually called new, and it starts a new day. Every 30 days, I orbit the earth as the earth orbits the sun. And with each new cycle starts over the fun. From full to gibbous to quarter to crescent to new. Then starts the other half of the phases for me and you. When you look up to the sky as you go home tonight, do not forget to tell Mona the Moon good night. The end.